I do believe it's time for lunch. And based on all the new friends I just made, let's leave seafood off the menu for now and find some real deal South Texas flavor as we head to Southside Barbacoa. On any given weekend, folks will be lined up out the door to buy barbacoa by the pound. But come in for breakfast or lunch, and you can get your own pile of Maria and Manuel Aguilar's famous beef. All right, so this is it. Southside's signature barbacoa.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Now, is that cachete?
Is it cachete?
Okay.
Yeah, the chick meat.
I've learned a couple things being in South Texas.
Yeah.
Yes, beef cheeks that Manuel steams for 12 hours, creating divine bovine goodness.
Is that unseasoned?
He doesn't put
No,
nothing.
That's not seasoned.
Yeah, that's meat.
Nothing.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
The fact that that's got no salt, no pepper,
No,
or nothing.
nothing.
That's just.
Nothing.
I don't know. You need a hot sauce?
Tell me about this hot sauce.
That's gonna be a little spicy.
Okay, do a little bit here.
Just a little bit. Just a little.
That's
It's
got
good.
some flavor.
It's flavor.
Get that flavor.
And that's
Mix it up water.
some good flavor.
Little salt.
Oh, that's so good. The tenderness of this meat mixed with the onions, the fresh cilantro, all that, and then the creamy avocado. This is amazing. This is enough to name your restaurant after. The Aguilars met working at a restaurant decades ago, but have built this business together 1 pound of barbacoa at a time. And you still like each other.
Well, yeah.
You're still married.
Can't you see us
Yeah, you're
smiling?
still married. Yeah, I love it.
We're going for 46 years of marriage.
Oh, congratulations. I love that.
Yeah, we
I
will
love it.
We're still
I love it.
smiling.
Yeah.
Every day they're open, you'll find Maria smiling in the dining room, while Manuel crafts homemade Mexican dishes in the kitchen.
I cook with love. I don't work.
Really, yeah. I saw you back there working hard,
Yeah.
but it's all
I don't
because it comes from a place of love.
Yes, sir.
And I get the same for you.
Yes,
Are
I'm
you-
cleaning tables and everything because I love it.
I get the feeling they're coming for more than just the barbacoa, though. Huh? I mean, they're coming for y'all. At first, this business was just barbacoa. Then the Aguilars added 3 tacos, and now, well, they have a full spread of Mexican classics, including one taco that's becoming as famous as the barbacoa. But y'all's carne guisada tacos kind of become famous. It's like Texas Monthly said, one of the best tacos in all of
Yes.
Texas.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what's the magic there?
Hey,
That's you. Okay, it's the love
the
again,
love.
huh?
it's a love.
And well, 3 hours of slow simmering doesn't hurt. And I think it's now time to try the other especial de la casa. This is called the Twin Special, named in honor of Maria and Manuel's twin granddaughters. So it's got a couple enchiladas and this right here, the carne guisada. Slow cooked, super tender meat. And then the gravy is like just buttery, Tex-Mexy goodness. My gosh, that's good. It's classic stuff, like homemade in a kitchen by a couple that you wish were your grandparents. This right here is the South Texas experience. Again, we're just working on the beach bod, one bite at a time. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.